Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about some important question for Neet, Cuet, Bsc Nursing, Paramedical and all other entrance exam from the chapter Ray Optics and Optical Instruments. So let's start the question. Question number first. The mean distance of the sun from earth is 1.5 into 10 की power 8 kilometer. The time taken by light to reach earth from the sun is option A 0.12 minute, option B 5 minute, option C 8.33 minute, option D 13 minute. The correct answer is option C 8.33 minute. 8.33 minute. The time taken by light to reach the earth from the sun is 8.33 minute. Question number 2. When a ray of light is reflected from a denser medium interface, then the following changes: option A wavelength, option B frequency, option C phase, option D speed. The correct answer is option C phase. When a ray of light is reflected from a denser medium interface, then phase is changes. Question number 3. The image of a real object formed by plane mirror is option A erect real and equal size, option B erect virtual and of equal size, option C inverted real and of equal size, option D inverted virtual and of equal size. The correct answer is option B erect virtual and of equal size. Erect virtual and of equal size. The image of a real object found by plane mirror is erect virtual and of equal size. Question number 4. When a light wave suffers reflection at the interface from air to glass, then the changes in phase of reflected wave is equal to option A 0, option B 5/2, option C 5, option D 2 pi. The correct answer is option C pi. When a light wave suffers reflection at an interface from air to glass, the changes in a phase of reflected wave is phi. Question number 5. A ray is incident at 60-degree angle on a plane mirror. What will be deviation after reflection from the mirror? Option A 120 degree, option B 30 degree, option C 60 degree, option D 45 degree. The correct answer is 120 degree. A ray is incident at 60-degree angle on a plane mirror. The deviation after reflection of a mirror is 120 degree. Question number 6. The passenger side view mirror on an automobile often has the notation objects seen in the mirror are closer than they appear. Is the image really farther away than the object? Option A yes, the image is smaller and farther away than the object. Option B no, the image is smaller and closer than the object. Option C no, the image is larger and closer than the object. Option D yes, the image is larger and farther away than the object. The correct answer is option B no, the image is smaller and closer than the object. Is the image really farther away than the object? No. No, the image is smaller and closer than the object is a correct answer. Question number 7. A person standing in a front of mirror find his image larger than himself. This implies that the mirror is option A convex, option B parabolic, option C plane, option D concave. The correct answer is option D concave. A person standing in front of mirror find his image larger than himself. The implies that the mirror is a concave mirror is a correct answer. Question number 8. The field of a view is maximum for option A plane mirror, option B convex mirror, option C concave mirror, option D cylindrical mirror. The correct answer is option B convex mirror. The field of view is maximum for convex mirror. Question number 9. Image found by convex mirror is option A virtual, option B real, option C inverted, option D enlarged. The correct answer is option A virtual. Image found by convex mirror is virtual image found is a correct answer. Question number 10. A straight line joining the object point and image point is always perpendicular to mirror. Option A if mirror is a plane only, option B if mirror is concave only, option C if mirror is convex only, option D irrespective of the type of mirror. The correct answer is option A if mirror is plane only. A straight line joining the object point and image point always perpendicular to the mirror if mirror is plane only is the correct answer. Question number 11. On heating a liquid, the refractive index generally option A decreases, option B increases or decreases depending on the rate of heating, option C do not change, option D increase. The correct answer is option A decreases. On heating a liquid, the refractive index generally decreases is the correct answer. Question number 12. The ratio of the refractive index of red light to blue light in air is option A less than unity, option B equal to unity, option C greater than unity, option D less as well as greater than unity depending upon the experimental arrangement. The correct answer is option A less than unity. A ratio of refractive index of red light to blue light in air is less than unity. A is the correct answer. Question number 13. The refractive index of a piece of transparent quartz is the greatest for option A red light, option B green light, option C violet light, option D yellow light. The correct answer is option C violet light. The refractive index of piece of transparent quartz is greatest for violet light. Violet is the correct answer, option C. Question number 14. A monochromatic beam of light passes from a denser medium to rarer into a rarer medium as result. Option A its speed increases, option B its speed decreases, option C its frequency decreases, option D its wavelength decreases. The correct answer is option A its speed increases. A monochromatic beam of light passes from a denser medium into a rarer medium result its speed increases. A is a correct answer. Question number 15. Total internal reflection occurs in waves when wave enters. Option A glass from air, option B air from vacuum, option C air from water, option D water from air. The correct answer is option C air from water. Option C air from water. The total internal reflection occurs in waves when waves enters air from water. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 16. A normal incident ray is reflected at the angle of 90 degree. The value of critical angle is option A 45, option B 90, option C 65, option D 43.2 degree. The correct answer is option B 90. A normal incident ray is reflected at the angle of 90 degree. The value of critical angle is also a 90 degree. B is the correct answer. Question number 17. An achromatic combination of lenses is formed by joining option A 2 convex lenses, option B 2 concave lenses, option C 1 concave lenses and 1 convex lenses, option D convex lens and plane mirror. The correct answer is option C 1 convex lenses and 1 concave lenses. An achromatic combination of lenses is formed by joining of 1 convex lenses and 1 concave lenses. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 18. A divergent lens will produce option A always a virtual image, option B always a real image, option C sometimes real and sometimes virtual, option D none of above. The correct answer is option A always a virtual image. A divergent lens will produce always a virtual image. Option A is correct. Question number 19. A convex lens is dipped in a liquid whose refractive index is equal to the refractive index of the lens. then its focal length will be option A become 0, option B become infinite, C become small but non-zero, option D remain unchanged. The correct answer is option B become infinite. A convex lens is dipped in a liquid whose refractive index is equal to the refractive index of lens, then its focal length will be become infinite. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 20. A converging lens, option A converges parallel rays of light, option B refract parallel ray of lights, option C is thicker in a center than at the edge, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option A converges parallel rays of light. Option A is correct. Question number 21. A short pulse of white light is incident from the air to glass slab at normal incident after traveling through the slab. The first color to emerge is option A blue, option B green, option C red, option D violet. The correct answer is option C red. A short pulse of white light is incident from air to a glass slab at normal incident after traveling through the slab. The first color emerge is red. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 22. Deviation by a prism is lowest for option A green ray, option B yellow ray, option C violet ray, option D red ray. The correct answer is option D red ray. Deviation by prism is lowest in red ray. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 23. Dispersive power depends upon option A the shape of prism, option B material of prism, option C angle of prism, option D height of prism. The correct answer is option B material of prism. Dispersive power depends upon material of prism. Option B is correct answer. Question number 24. Which one of the following happens when light ray enter from air to glass slab? Option A wavelength decreases, option B frequency increases, option C wavelength increases, option D frequency increases. The correct answer is option A wavelength decreases. Which one of the following happens when light ray enters from air to glass is wavelength decreases. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 25. Dispersive power of prism depend on option A prism angle, option B angle of incident, option C material, option D shape of prism. The correct answer is option C material. Dispersive power of prism depends upon option C material. Question number 26. When white light passes through the achromatic combination of prism, then what is observed? Option A only deviation, option B only dispersion, option C deviation and dispersion, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A only deviation. When white light passes through the achromatic combination of prism, then only deviation is observed. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 27. Astigmatism for a human eye can be removed by using astigmatism for a human eye can be removed by using option A concave lens, option B convex lens, option C cylindrical lens, option D prismatic lens. The correct answer is option C cylindrical lens. Astigmatism for a human eye can be removed by using cylindrical lens. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 28. Circular path in a center of retina is called option A blind spot, option B yellow spot, option C none of the above, option D red spot. The correct answer is option B yellow spot. Cylindrical part in the center of retina is called yellow spot. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 29. A passenger in an aeroplane, option A never see a rainbow, option B may see a primary and secondary rainbow as concentric circles, option C may see a primary and secondary rainbow as concentric arcs, option D shall never see a secondary rainbow. The correct answer is option B may see a primary and secondary rainbow as a concentric circles. A passenger in aeroplane may see a primary and secondary rainbow as concentric circles. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 30. Resolving power of microscope depend upon option A focal length and aperture of the eye lens, option B a focal length of the objective and eye of lens, option C aperture of the objective and eye lens, option D the wavelength of light illuminating the object. The correct answer is option D, the wavelength of light illuminating the object. Resolving power of microscope depend upon the wavelength of light illuminating the object. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 31. If the red light is replaced by blue light illuminating the object in a microscope, the resolving power of a microscope is option A decreases, option B increases, option C get halved, option D remains constant. The correct answer is option B increases. If red light is replaced by blue light illuminating the object of microscope, resolving power the microscope is increases. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 32. How should people wearing spectacles work with microscope? Option A. They should keep on wearing their spectacles. Option B. They should take off their spectacles. Option C. They may keep on wearing or take off their spectacles. It makes no difference. Option D. They cannot use microscope at all. The correct answer is option B. They should take off their spectacles. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 33. In a compound microscope, the intermediate image is option A virtual erect and magnified, option B real erect and magnified, option C real inverted and magnified, option D virtual erect and reduced. The correct answer is option C real inverted and magnified. A compound microscope, the intermediate image is real inverted and magnified. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 34. A plano convex lens of unknown material and unknown focal length is given. With the help of spherometer, we can measure option A radius of curvature, option B curved surface, option A radius of curvature of the curved surface, option B aperture of the lens, option C refractive index of material, option D focal length of lens. The correct answer is option A radius of curvature of the curved surface. A plano convex lens of unknown material and unknown focal length is given. With the help of spherometer, we can measure radius of curvature of a curved lens. Question number 35. Pick the wrong answer in the context of a following rainbow. When a light ray undergo two internal reflection in water, drops of a secondary rainbow is formed. Option B. The order of color is reversed in the secondary rainbow. Option C. An observer can see a rainbow when its front is towards the sun. Option D. Rainbow is a combined effect of dispersion, refraction and refraction of light. The correct answer is option C. An observer can see a rainbow when his front is towards the sun. Option C is correct answer. Question number 36. In total internal reflection, when angle of incident is equal to the critical angle for the pair of media in contact, what will angle of refraction? Option A 180 degree, option B 0 degree, option C equal to the angle of incident, option D 90 degree. The correct answer is option D 90 degree. In a total internal reflection, when angle of incident is equal to critical angle for the pair of media in contact, what will be the angle of refraction? The angle of refraction is 90 degree. Option D is a correct answer. Question number 37. If the focal length of object lens is increased, then magnifying power of option A microscope will increase but the telescope decreases. Option B microscope and telescope both will increases. Option C microscope and telescope both will decreases. Option D microscope will decreases but that the telescope will increases. The correct answer is option D microscope will decreases but that the telescope will increases. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 38. Which of the following is not due to total internal reflection? Option A working on optical fiber, option B difference between apparent and real depth, option C mirage on hot summer days, option D brilliance of demand. The correct answer is option B difference between apparent and real depth. Which of the following is not due to total internal reflection, that is difference between apparent and real depth? Option B is a correct answer. Thank you and please subscribe my channel for further videos.